Hello, good morning everyone. I would like to use this video to show you how to disassemble Tower Pro micro servo. This micro servo is 9 gram in weight and the part number is SG90. It is used in normally it's used in various robotic automation, and you can also use it in Internet of Things, whereby rotation of a specific device is required. So just to cut the story short, I would like to show you the step-by-step of how to disassemble this. It's quite straightforward. So here we go with it. It's got four screws at the bottom of it. So these 4 screws need to be screwed out. So I would like to show you how to take this screw off. So you ensure that the 4 screws are off. Pull it out. You can see how long each screw is here. So you pull the 4 screw out. Yep. After this, then you are able to force the part apart. Just take off the bottom first. Yep. As you can see, the bottom is off, and here we go. Here comes the PCB. Here comes the PCB that contains all the electronic parts of the servo. Embedded in it is a microcontroller. As you can see, is a simple microcontroller whereby it controls how the rotation and how signal is being sent to the motor, and it determines the rotation of the motor, either when the motor is to turn clockwise or anti-clockwise. And also internally is the gear. We've got the gear, and we've got the potentiometer, which is the sensor. Here is the motor that actually control the speed of the servo. And as I've said earlier on, these are the gears. Yep. Pause.